Hello and welcome to a course on ChatGPT. So in this course, we are going to go and explore ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to earn some money online. Okay, so we're going to go through the course, and there are some lessons that we're going to cover. There are a lot of lessons, so let's take a look what you are going to learn from this course. Okay, so in this course you're going to learn about content creating, website creating, making blogs, promoting products, making games, making a to-do list, and also affiliate marketing. Okay, so using ChatGPT you can do all of these stuff. So content creating is very easy using ChatGPT. Also website designing, you can actually get the codes from ChatGPT and then just paste it in whatever platform that you are using. Okay, and making blogs are much more easier in ChatGPT. You can go and make any type of blogs with the help of ChatGPT. So you can also promote products that you want to promote using ChatGPT. You can get many strategy ideas that you can use, and you can just search them on the platform. Okay, so you can also make games. I'm going to show you how you can make a game using the whole ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you how you can make a to-do list as well. And we're also going to explore with affiliate marketing using ChatGPT, because affiliate marketing is a big part in online business. Okay, so we have to cover the affiliate marketing, and it's very easy using this platform that we are going to use now. Okay, so I'm going to see you in our first lesson then, and I hope you guys are going to learn something from this course, and I will see you in the first lesson.